Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase video volume in InShot. So if you want to increase or you want to add more volumes to your videos in InShot, maybe you record a particular video and you seem to have a low volume video and you're looking for a way to increase or add more volumes to the video. Here's a quick method on how to do that. So once you add the video to the timeline already, just like you see this in here, if you want to check on how to, if you want to know how to add videos to your timeline, you just check back to the previous video and you'll see how to add videos to your timeline. So once you add videos to your timeline, just drag these two bars here to the right until you find an option where you see the volume icon. This is the volume right here. Then tap on the volume, then increase the volume to 200. The normal volume, the normal regular volume for each video is 100. So but if you had more volume to it, it make it more than 100. So everything will more 200. So by the time you play the videos, you will notice that there's a bit increase in the volume of the video, and that is how to add more volumes or how to increase volumes in InShot. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.